శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 82nd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతం ఆదిపర్వం 74th chapter, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi saying to Janamejaya Maharaju like this, O Raja. Shakuntala saying to Dushyanta Maharaju like this, O Raja. Only the one who is having chastity becomes good wife. She is the wife. And for human, the half part is wife. Wife is the most best friend. Those who wants to cross the ocean of birth and death, wife is the main means. Bharyavantah kriyavantah sabharya gruhamedhinaha. Only if one has wife, they will be able to do yajnas and other divine activities. Only those who have wife, they are known as great householding people. Bharyavantah pramodante bharyavantah shriyanvitaha. Only those who have wife will be happy. Only those who have wife will be lucky. Pitaro dharmakaryeshu. In divine activities, wife gives support just like father. In troublesome time, wife takes care of husband just like mother. Even if we are in forests, if wife is along with us, then we will have the rest, the peace in our mind. Only those who have wife will be believed by this world. That is why tasmat darah paragatihi. That is why to husband, to the man, wife is the most important aspect. That is known as uttama gati. While being alive, even after death, even after being fallen in hell, nobody comes along with, but wife follows husband. If wife departs from the body before even husband dies, wife will be waiting for husband. Or if husband dies before wife, wife will follow husband. O Dushyanta, that is why panigrahanam, marriage, is something everybody likes. Because husband, when he gets wife, then he will be happy not only in this world, even in upper worlds. Husband, he himself, again through wife's womb, takes birth as son. That is what enlightened people says. So as and how people feels happy to see themselves in a mirror, just like that, husband looks at his own son who came from his wife. He feels so much happy as if he is in heaven. Those who are in so much sun, hot sun, if they get some water, how much they feel happy. So also those who are mentally, physically depressed, if their wives are right next to them, they also feel so happy. If a poor man gets some money, how much he would feel happy. So also those husbands who are depressed, if they reaches their wife, they also feel that much happy. And happiness, dharmam, all these are under control of Stree, woman. The man who notices this, even if he gets so much anger, he would never step forward to do any bad thing to woman. O Dushyanta, wife is half part of husband. That is what Veda says. And wife can protect wealth, children, body, and activities in this world, dharmam. Not only that, even heaven, maharshis, pitru devatas also protected by wife. To being born as a man, the wife or the woman are most auspicious kshetram. And without women, even maharshis also cannot have somebody born. O Dushyanta, if the son, after playing in the mud, if the same person immediately goes and hugs his father, for a father, what else would be giving so much happy than that? What else a father would be asking for in this world? Like that, Shakuntala saying to Dushyanta Maharaju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us bow down to Sriman Mahabharata Grantham. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.